ideas for garden paths that perfectly combine the house and the garden. Garden paths are an important element in creating a beautiful, walkable garden. Paths serve to connect different areas together, setting the direction for walking around the garden. And it will help to divide different areas of the garden, be it flower beds, fish ponds, pavilions or rest areas. Beautiful ideas of garden paths. In addition to the choice of materials, the design of garden paths is also important. The size of the garden should be taken into account. Pedestrian direction and style of gardening. It should be designed so that the path is wide enough for comfortable walking, and corresponds to the style of the garden. For example, an alley in a small garden can be designed as a narrow path. Stretches along the length of the garden. A path in a large garden can be designed as a wide path. Keep stretching. Or design it as a path that connects to different corners of the garden. Landscaping. A garden path can also add interest, such as planting shrubs or perennials along the path. Decorated with lanterns or sculptures, etc. Help the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Leave a comment.